Hello everybody, we are here live in Odessa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I am Xander, of course, behind the camera, and we have Faith inside this home you see right in front of us, known as the Glory. Now, I don't believe we've ever shown this home before, so I'm really excited to go inside and see what all the glory's about. But first, the specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1190 square feet, 16 feet wide, and 76 feet in length.
Hey, come on in.
How's it going, Faith?
Good. So happy almost Friday. We're almost to the weekend. And what better way to almost start off our weekend than with a home tour? So here we are at the Glory. Now, this is actually one of our homes that is in stock home. So you will save $1,500 with this home. Also, it's only like a little under $600 a month for this home. So I mean, you can't beat that. It's one of our budget-friendly homes with TRU Homes, and it is a great deal. So let's go ahead and start this tour. So this is the living space. It's very spacious, lots of room, and you can mount your TV there, or you can get a little TV stand, put your TV on that, but you can really fit a lot of seating space in here, especially if you have a big family. Over here, we have our kitchen. Lots of space in here. I mean, you got cabinets on cabinets. You have a shelf above the fridge for some extra storage space or decorating. And it's just a really nice size home. And then you can also have your dining table here. But I've also seen people, they'll put like a little almost bar top along this wall and have bar stools, and you can just sit along the wall. I mean, that'd be a great place for your kids to do homework. I know I would love that. So let's check out this primary bedroom. So here is your primary bedroom. Definitely big enough to fit a king size bed. Plenty of space in here for 2 side tables and your dresser. It's really nice, very bright and airy too, which I love so much. And then off to the side here, we have your bathroom. So here we have your tub shower combo to the right, and then to the left you have your sink with your cabinet underneath. Nice amount of counter space, and then you have your walk-in closet right off of your bathroom with plenty of space to store up here as well. So let's go check out these secondary bedrooms. There are a lot of them.
And if you are just joining our live, we are here in Odessa, Texas, inside of the Glory. The specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths, 1190 square feet, that's 16 feet wide and 76 feet in length.
So this is your first secondary bedroom. It is huge in here. I love how big this room is. You can fit a queen size up against this wall, up against that wall, really whatever you'd like it to be. It's definitely big enough for, you have those small little tots and they grow into teenagers, and it would be perfect. So here is your closet, plenty of space in there. Definitely fit a shoe rack on the bottom. Really just, stay organized in this home. And over here we have our secondary bathroom. Get this on for you. Here we are, plenty of space in here. You have your tub shower combo, and you have a sink with cabinet space underneath as well. Let me get out of the way and y'all can go check that out. So here is your secondary bedroom. I don't know if it technically is bigger, but it feels bigger in here. You could put so much stuff in here. If you have 3 kids and you have 2 bedrooms, you can put 2 twins in here. I mean, plenty of room for kids to share a room, or like I've said before, mother-in-law suite, or maybe one of your family members needs to crash, a guest room. Perfect. And here is your closet. Plenty of space up there. But yeah, this was the Glory. I think it's just, glorious. Sorry. So yes, so reminder, this is a in-stock saving home, $1,500 off. So really jump in on that and get that deal. Yes. Well, I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.